The Fiat 500X is a decent all-around performer thanks to a spunky turbocharged engine and standard all-wheel drive. Pros: distinctive Italian styling, standard all-wheel drive, well-made interior space. Cons: limited cargo and passenger space, small touchscreen can be tough to use, high starting price, several available driving aids, but few work well. The 500X's greatest strength is its ride comfort. It's quite smooth for a small SUV. The front seats also have a nice combination of support and comfort. We found the rear seat backs to be a little upright and the cushions a bit on the firm side. The new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine works pretty well despite its small size. The generous door openings allow you to slip in and out with minimal effort. The tall windows and smartly placed side view mirrors make for great outward visibility too. The cabin is roomy up front, but the rear seat, like others in the class, will be tight for people over 6 feet tall. The 500X's main controls are easy to figure out. The configurable infotainment system is a bit slow to respond but fairly straightforward to use. The 500X provides 3 USB ports, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. By the numbers, the 500X's trunk is average, 14.1 cubic feet behind the rear seats. The 500X's EPA estimated fuel economy is 26 miles per gallon combined. The interior of the 500X earns style points. Soft Dutch materials abound throughout the cabin, and the matching body-colored panels look cool even if they're just thin plastic. The 500X has personality if nothing else. There are some nice Italian touches inside and out, and they help the little Fiat stand out in a sea of other tiny SUVs. For 2022, the 500X comes in 3 trim levels: Pop, Trekking, and Sport. A turbocharged 1.3-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 177 horsepower and 210 pounds-to-foot of torque is the only engine available across the lineup. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission that sends power to a standard all-wheel drive system.